On tonight's episode, Ryan's first customer drives his car away after an engine rebuild.
Yeah, I think it's broken down.
Craig checks his pipe. And we come up with a crackpot
What
plan.
plan is we're going to buy a three-wheel van and a three-wheel moped.
And four of us going to sit in
And
the
we're
same
going to venture to France.
It's not 50. It's more than 50.
Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you what typically happens when the Crap Car Collective meet up on a Thursday night, and you'll understand why we don't get much work done. Ryan runs a classic car business and has just rebuilt the engine on this MGB. Tonight, the owner came to collect it. This is Craig. He has a Bren gun in his kitchen. Tonight, his task is to straighten up the antenna storage tube that sits on the front of the Daimler Ferret. And talking of the Ferret, Matt's primering it.
Well done.
No ear defenders on road. You kill it! No ear defenders on. Pardon? What?
Pardon? Can't hear, I have the defenders on.
Pardon? Nobody can hear you because I didn't wear ear defenders when we were younger.
He's not biting at all,
He is.
Matt has put the tube in the blaster so Craig can clean it, but he's also turned the compressor off. Any minute now, Craig will realise.
Right, we've got 2 grains of sand in here.
What else could it be?
So it's got sand,
It's got sand. What
it's got electricity
else?
for the lights.
It's not air.
You got air, was it?
Yeah.
You got enough?
No.
Take compressor back on. On free, you get 3 rooms, and it won't overly busy. So we've got 3 and give us 3 tickets for. Brilliant. So anyway, so he goes. He goes in, goes, right, this is my room. It's a nice twin room. Oh, it's nice. Is this? Obviously, its own shower. He goes next door. Twin room. Oh, it's nice. This. What's the last one? Oh, it's single room. Oh, but it's all right. It's all right. 5 minutes later, he comes back. He's got a interconnecting bathroom room next door. Right? So there'll be a big fat driving room next door.
And there's no lock.
There's no lock on the inside toilet door. Right?
So you've got 2
So
doors.
when you're in,
Right.
So you've
so
got 2
the lock on the
bathrooms,
outside.
2 doors like that with the bathroom in the middle.
The lock on the outside. So like when he's asleep, he could put this lock on, but literally it's made out of chocolate.
Yeah.
You know, a sharp push and it's just like. So he didn't be in the shower or sat on throne.
But there was no way of locking the other door when you were in.
So when
if
you're
they-
on it,
So if they had a lock on their side, but not you don't have a lock on the inside. So you're there doing your business
So
and
he's-
dropping kids off
he'd
at
be-
pole,
he'd be in
and
shower.
you can't lock that door.
Right.
There is no handle, so you can't hold it.
So you're feeling nervous with it?
I was feeling quite nervous.
Imagine
Yeah.
it, he'd be in the shower, dude. He'll be curtain, and it's this bloke. Sat, oh, Cameron.
What?
Gurdy. Stop in there. Don't stop in there. I might share my room with him. We were like 3 hours from ferry, and he was still getting stressed that we weren't going to get there in time.
We only just got on the ferry.
Oh, no, but we got to the ferry terminal.
Jumping.
We got to the ferry terminal just in plenty time. We were just thinking, I'm on like 5 to 9. We're reversing on. The door's lifting up.
Have you not seen the video?
You see the video?
I've seen it.
Literally got on at 9:15.
So
Yeah, we were last on the ferry.
But
Because
the
they
first
wanted
one's there.
us right at the.
they didn't.
Front.
They wanted us right at the other end.
Oh,
But we
really?
didn't have the paperwork sorted
No,
out, so we
okay,
ended up being
right.
at the other end.
We're packed up, you know, and all these baggings coming through. We're like, he's like, he's like, we're not gonna get on.
What do you got?
Because I'd pre-prepared all my documentation, right? You can do like a draft document
But not
online.
very well.
I'd pre-prepared it like 3 days earlier, right? With the orange van registration. Then on Sunday we changed to campervan. So we did it all. He says, "Oh, I'm sorry, lads, you're not going to England." And he
Not tonight.
he popped
Yeah.
himself. Yeah. So I'm like, but I'd done the document like literally 30 seconds before. So I pressed back on my browser, and it let me go back, change the registration, pressed submit, and then it said, "This application cannot be changed." So either somehow the system magically changed it, or he magically changed it. I have no idea. And that was when he gave us the 3 card keys for his 3 rooms.
And then we
Two twins and a share.
Then we jumped past passport control.
There was a looking big thing, right? But
We've
barrier
done
up.
passports already, Barry.
Yeah, we done passports, right? But barrier were up, and there were green lights. I'm thinking, well, you couldn't see
God.
anybody in there. It's just
God.
like, but there was nobody waiting. So he comes off, shouts out at me, "Oi!" Slam the brakes up. 1300 GTs like nearly through the back window. I had to reverse up. Oh, you check your boarding cards or passports. I don't know. What were it? Passports?
I don't know.
You were in and out of bloody car.
Yeah, because we're up there. Cause you're at a truck thing, so you're like, you know, when you're sat in a little transport and he's up there, you know, you get your step ladder out.
Never again. Never again.
Not until the next time.
Not with those two. It's a great time.
Yeah, let's go.
The plan is that somebody mentioned Julian during this meal,
By a shit car with the wheel missing.
and then we suddenly remembered that Julian wanted a Reliant Robin supervan, or just a van, but I think we call it a van, it's a Regal.
How long do we need? How long do we need?
So we go on eBay and we find one less than 10 miles away from where we are now.
Why are you talking like this? Is this
So-
Cameron?
So we're gonna buy it and drive it to France.